One phylum of bacteria includes genera which can produce endospores. These are highly resistant structures which allow the bacteria to survive adverse environmental conditions. The genera include Clostridium and Bacillus, both of which include some species which are very important for human health. Bacillus anthracis is the bacterium which produces the spores responsible for anthrax. These images are of the spores of Bacillus anthracis, which can cause anthrax. The stain which was used is staining around the spores, which are appearing a very translucent light purple, just for your identification. Anthrax was once a major form of human mortality and is still a risk, especially to those working with animals, more so in Africa and in Central and Southeast Asia than in other parts of the world. Spores, which can then be encountered in contaminated soil or in the hides of animals, these can be ingested and taken up through the intestines. They can be inhaled, especially when they were in the soil, but most would enter through broken skin. When the spores germinate inside the body, the bacteria produce three proteins: the lethal factor, the edema factor, and the protective antigen. And it is the combination of these three which can cause a lethal infection. How long can spores remain dormant? It is not known. Records definitely show that some have survived over 10,000 years, and some studies suggest that they can germinate after millions or even hundreds of millions of years. During World War I, there was testing of anthrax to be used as a biological weapon on an island near Scotland, and it was so toxic because the spores remained present that until it was decontaminated almost 50 years later, humans could not live there.